Hey folks, this is a Toyota Venza. This is a 2012. Doing brakes on it, and I had to loosen up the wheel bearing in order to get a part of the brake hold down kit right there, that little bent rod there. But anyway, this is about the wheel bearing. Since I had to remove the wheel bearing just a little bit, it's pretty simple. So I want to make this a quick video, very simple, just like doing brakes. Two 17mm bolts for the caliper. Take that out of the way and hang it. Over here is two 17mm bolts. Takes the caliper bracket out. You can take it with the brake shoes or leave the brake shoes on, whatever you want to do. Those are the bolts. Okay, then this drum is going to come out. Like I said, if you're going to have a little problem with the drum because of the brake shoes, you're going to end up mangling something. So you can check the brake job, the rear brake job on this Venza, and you see exactly what I had to do to get this freaking rotor off. But anyway, if it's as easy as this one, which comes out like butter, all you have to do is just take the rotor out. And there it is right there. Okay, once the rotor is out, you access those bolts through this hole. Okay, if you line it up, you're able to get one side in one shot. 1, 2, then you got to spin it again. 3, 4. All right, once you take the bolts out, the bearing is technically loose. All you have to do now is just get a nice chisel, is what I did. I got a chisel, and I'm going to show you the spot that I put it on. There is a tool you can get that bolts onto here, that kind of knocks the bearing out. There's another tool that goes in here, like a slap hammer, bolted on with 3 bolts, and you can slap it out. But this one came out pretty decent, even though it's a Northeast car. I took a nice big chisel, I put it right here, tap, 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 and the thing just came loose. All right, and that was it. Put the new bearing on, put the 4 bolts back on, and you are good to go with a wheel bearing. All right, so luckily this one does not need a wheel bearing, but that's how you change the wheel bearing when you do it. All right, all this has to come out. So while you're here, you can either think about doing brakes, your rotors, look at the shoes over here. All right, other than that, put it all back. Those are your wheel bearings on a Venza. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao. It's a quickie.